Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Secrets. In this video, we are going to learn about third website that we will be using to generate free crypto. This is an interesting video because here in this video, we are not going to earn any kind of free crypto, but we are going to earn NFTs for free. So let's get right into this video and see which website we are going to use to collect free NFTs. So let's reveal our third website, which is CoinMarketCap. You might have heard about CoinMarketCap. It is the #1 world's famous price tracking website. It keeps a track of all the cryptocurrencies according to the ranking of their market cap. So without any further ado, let's get right into this website and see what it has got for us. So here we are right into CoinMarketCap, and here in this website, we are going to see how we can earn NFTs for absolutely free. But in case if you are wondering that what are NFTs, if you do not know what an NFT is, let me give a quick overview of what NFT is. So NFT is simply a photo or video referred to a digital art which others can buy through an auction or through a fixed price on the blockchain. So if you are not an artist, you can still make money trading NFTs. NFTs have been a hot topic since the year 2021, and people see a bright future in them because it actually has a very bright future. If you consider all the scenarios, a digital art, because in the future everything is going to convert into digital medias, and a media, a image, a video or anything like that, if can be sold or purchased on a blockchain which is highly secure network, is going to explode in the future. So that is the reason all the NFT projects are a big success. Youngsters are making good amount of money from this. So in this video, we are going to discuss some tips about NFTs and how we can get into this to generate crypto for free. And we can generate a huge amount of crypto from this, several $100,000 for absolutely free. Yes, I'm not joking. Several $100,000 can also be generated for absolutely free by just selling some of the NFTs. So in this video, we are going to discuss that. So if we head over to CoinMarketCap, CoinMarketCap recently launched a diamond royalty program. If you can see here, okay, I have to log in into this. So let me log in. So you can see here we are in this dashboard. So I have a total of 1830 diamonds which can be used to claim NFTs for absolutely free. So CoinMarketCap recently launched a diamond royalty program where we can collect some diamonds every day and we can redeem those diamonds as NFTs of our own choice, which are listed on CoinMarketCap marketplace. It is literally for free. And if you have sufficient diamonds in your account balance, you can get an NFT for absolutely free. And they are highly demanding NFTs because they are listed on CoinMarketCap, and CoinMarketCap is the most famous website in the space of cryptocurrency. So you can sell them later for a very huge price because the NFTs which are listed on CoinMarketCap are having a huge demand. And if anyhow you are able to claim that NFT, you can literally sell them later for a very huge price, claiming a very big profit. So we strongly recommend you to collect CoinMarketCap diamonds daily. So you can see here in this marketplace, there are a lot of NFTs listed already. And you can see the price of the NFT corresponding to every NFT which is listed. So you can see that this NFT is about 1500 diamonds, and in my account I have about 1800 diamonds. So I can purchase this NFT using the diamonds which I collected for absolutely free. But you can see it has only 3000 supply. So the supply is over. So this NFT only have 3000 copies, and if you are lucky to get one of those 3000, you can sell them later for a very huge price. And 3000 is a big number, you can just consider. There are some NFTs which have a very low supply. For example, this has only 20 supplies. this has only 50 supplies. And there are some NFT which have only one supply. So if you are the luckiest person in the whole world to claim that one NFT, you can literally sell them for any amount that you wish to sell for. So let me show you how to collect diamonds. Just simply click the button collect diamonds, solve a CAPTCHA, and here you see some amount of diamonds are credited in your account balance. So you can see I have now 1840 diamonds, and now you can see I have about 4 hours 20 minutes to claim diamonds again. So you can see that after 5 hours I can come again to this website and claim another amount of diamonds. Now we are going to discuss some strategies about NFTs that is going to help us make a huge amount of income for absolutely free. Yes, a huge amount of income for absolutely free. So please keep watching this video because it is going to be very helpful for you. Please keep these strategies in your mind always. So our first strategy is buy NFTs from large marketplaces like Binance NFT Marketplace, Crypto.com Marketplace, and only buy those NFTs in trending niches. If you are not sure about what a trending niche is, please do some research on Google and on YouTube about the trending NFT niches at that point of time when you are watching this video. And only purchase the NFTs which are well under $100. Please do not spend a lot of money on NFTs because if you are unable to sell it, it is not going to be very helpful for you. For example, if you purchase an NFT for let us say $10,000 and you are unable to sell it and it is actually useless to you, you just own that NFT but it does not bring any value to you. So you have actually wasted $10,000 if you are unable to sell it for a much higher price. So only spend a very little money, less than $100 on NFT that you can buy. Or otherwise you can mint an NFT or collect a free NFT from CoinMarketCap that we just discussed. I want to give you a very popular example. A Boring Ape NFT was bought for $800 and 4 months later it was sold in millions of dollars. You can just see where a $800 is and where $1 million is. So it is a huge gap. So you can just consider that 800 to million, it is about 1000x on the investment return. So do not listen to anyone. NFTs are the future. Second strategy, it is actually a trick. So that is a very interesting trick. Please keep watching the video. So this trick is a real case life scenario of a person whose name we are not going to reveal, of course. So he said that I just minted an NFT and bid on my own auction and sold it to myself for $100,000. Then I relisted it and some other person bid $30,000 and he was thrilled to get it off for 70%. So you can just imagine that he made $30,000 and the person who purchased it for $30,000 is also happy. So you can play these kind of smart plays, and we are going to learn more of these kind of smart plays that is going to be very helpful to you. So this is a smart trick, right? So I hope you like this trick, right? So with this, we are going to discuss our third strategy. Third strategy is there is a huge demand of new trends in NFTs every day. Even a simple triangle picture can be sold for hundreds of dollars. This sounds insane and is true. And this is happening, right? So if you create a simple digital art, list it on huge marketplaces. Try to get involved in trending NFTs only. Otherwise, you are going to waste your money buying a digital art. So always do your own research before you purchase an NFT and do not purchase an very expensive NFT. Try to keep a budget very low because if you are unable to sell that NFT, the amount that you invested in purchasing that NFT goes to waste. So please do not buy expensive NFTs. Instead, only purchase the NFTs that costs lower than $100. And selling is an art. Whether you are selling an online course, that is my art. I have sold my online course to you, right? So you also have to sell your NFT to someone. So you need to list your NFT in a reputed marketplace. These were some of the tricks that we shared with you and strategies that we shared with you. If you liked the video, please let us know in the comment section below. If there any space of suggestions and improvements, we will be happy to help. And that's it for this video about NFTs. And in the next video, we are going to reveal our fourth website that we are going to use to generate free crypto. So stay tuned.